Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee not instant. Start by choosing fresh whole beans and grinding them just before brewing, then weigh coffee and water to a 1:16 ratio, heat water to about 93 degrees C, and use a consistent pour technique to evenly saturate grounds and control extraction for cleaner flavor and better body in every cup you brew at home. Grind size and precise dosing make a big difference in quality, so weigh your beans, choose a grind that suits your brewer, and keep records of measurements. Use a burr grinder for uniform particles, adjust in small steps if extraction is off, and remember to grind just before brewing for the freshest aromas and the cleanest, most consistent cup that highlights the beans' natural sweetness and essence. Follow clear brewing steps. Heat water to about 93 degrees C, bloom grounds with a small pour for 30 to 45 seconds, then continue pouring steadily to maintain extraction. Time the brew to match your method, taste often, and adjust variables like grind, dose, or water temperature until you reach the balance you like. This method gives you control and helps you build a repeatable routine for great coffee every morning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.